rock, yo! So, the Corvette's gone. Traded that for this 1988 Mustang GT, and $1,500 the guy gave me. And wow. An honest opinion.
Metal doors, it's not a piece of shit Corvette. Why am I don't like looking at myself in the fucking camera.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry
well,
about
I'm not worried about it. I'm just gonna flip it off the whole time.
Oh, you're gonna need 2 hands. Oh, you're gonna need 2 hands.
Goddamn stereo don't work. Windshield wipers.
Adam 2, what is your 20?
Yeah, we're getting the we destroyed the case big time.
Holy crap. Yeah, can't wait to review that. All right, go ahead. When's this gonna happen? You need to take the traction control off. You need some sauce, some taco sauce. I don't know if that's gonna be enough. You need some, you need some ATF is what you need. Rob? Drop it, Stu! Here, let me put that back. There. Yeah, that escalated real quick. Stuart's on the hunt for a Mustang now. He's just tickled pink. Hey, you know, I've got to buy new tires later this week already for it because those things are non-existent anymore. But yeah, that's fun. That's going to be a good ad for the channel. We got to come up with a name for it. You know, at first I was thinking like white trash because, you know, it's white and kind of trashy and everything like that. It fits it. But I don't know. It's like there's a couple other YouTubers out there that got the same name on their vehicle, white trash. And it's a pretty common name. So we could call it that. I don't care. But we could call it something else, you know, trailer park or something along those lines. If you guys come up with a good name for the Mustang, because it's going to be sticking around. We ain't selling this one. This is too much fun. It's way too much fun. But yeah, come up with a name. Write that thing down in the comments. Let me know. So... Expedition. We traded that. I mean, what the? Yeah, I always wanted a chopper, but I'm owning one now. Way earlier in life than I thought I was going to. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty awesome. I'm impressed. I'm super impressed. But we're probably not going to keep it very long. We're going to fix a couple things on it that need to be fixed. Exhaust needs to be touched up. A couple things here and there. And then, I don't know, let's see if we can get a side-by-side or work ourselves up to something else and trade. I just want to keep on trading up. You know, that's my plan there. So we'll see what we can get. Compression Ignition Army commented, good to see you getting it done. Man, it's going to be a beast. Hashtag money helps. Yeah, buddy. Hashtag money does help. I mean, we can all lay down pipes and dreams, dude. Well, not all of us can lay down pipe, but some of us lay down pipe. Some of us shorter pipe than others. Oh, wow. Anyways, we can all talk about dreams, but money does help, and we got to get those flips. And I know right now, flipping is hard. I mean, I was talking with a couple other members on the Facebook page, and majority of stuff right now is just happening for trade. I got lucky with this dig. The guy wanted the vet real bad and gave me this plus $1,500. So, yeah, not bad. Ontario Red Nick XXX commented, I don't know what engineer decided it was a good idea to make it so you have to pound the studs out to get the rotors off. but I like to kick them in the butt. Same setup on my 94 F-150. Dude, for real. Any of us four guys, four-wheel drive, feel this pain. Like, what were they thinking? That's beyond retarded. Ugh. Whatever. The struggles that we got to deal with, I guess, huh? You guys take it easy. We'll talk to you again.